Morning everybody. In previous live classes we had learned so many important topic related our MS PowerPoint in chapter 4, but just now we are going to read few another important point from chapters 5. Our chapter 5 is animating text and object, in which we have to learn so many important topics as given. First slide. Before explain the definition of slide, I am going to give you an examples. As you all have seen a chapters, as the chapter has so many pages, each page contains few details. Similarly, in a presentation, each page is known as slide. So here only we have to learn the definition. In a presentation, each page is known as slide. Now next topic is slideshow. You can see here as given, a slideshow is an on-screen presentation of information or ideas presented on the screen. That means whatever we will show on the computer screen, this is known as slideshow. Here is given next topic is animation. Do you know what is a animation? One definition has given here: the ability to move objects like text, graphics, chart, logs, etc. in all direction of a slide is called animation. These all definitions we have to learn. These all definitions you can read in the chapter 5. Next is transition. Here given, transition are used to add visual effect to the slides. That means this effect help us to add so many visual effect in our slides. These all activity I will show you after few seconds. First of all, we are going to read the all important topics. Here is given transition effect. That means transition effect are the moment we see when one slide change to another in slideshow view, which I am going to show you. Next, how to apply transition effect. To apply any transition effect, we have to follow some certain steps. First, we have to select the slide. Second, we have to click on the animation tab. Next, we have to select any transition effect according to our choice, and now we have to change the desired settings, which I am going to show you on the computer screen. First of all, we have to open Microsoft PowerPoint. Again, I am going to click on start button, all programs, and next is Microsoft Office, and here we have to select Microsoft PowerPoint. You can see our PowerPoint screen is displayed on the computer screen. So here I am going to explain few important topics which we don't have learned in previous classes. You can see this page is known as the slide. That means each page in presentation is known as slide. Our first topic, how we can create a slide. To create a slide, simply we have to click on the new slide option. After clicking on new slide option, you will find so many themes as given here: title and content, section headers, and so many. You can see according to our need we can select anyone. Suppose I want to apply title and content, so simply we have to click here. After clicking on this, you can see our this slide is applied on the computer screen. Now, how to add title? To add any title, simply we have to single click here, and after clicking we have to fill. Suppose I am going to write class 5th. So like this we can write, or 6, whatever you want to write according to your need you can write. And if you want to add another text in this box, then simply again you have to click here, and whatever you want to write. Suppose I'm going to write animation, so I written animation here. Next is how we can change the font size, font colors, and so many effect how we can apply. To change the font size, simply we have to select the text. To select a text, simply we can use Ctrl+A to select all text, and then we have to click on the font size option. You can see here as given. Now I am going to click here. After clicking on this, you will find this type of option will appear on the computer screen. According to your needs, you can select the font size. So I am going to select 96. You can see our font animation. One mistake is here, animation. Okay, so if you want to apply any another changes, as to change the font style, simply we have to click on the font option, and from here you can select any desired font. You can see I'm going to apply this font. You can see here changes. And now to change the color, simply again we have to select the slide, and then we have to click on a option. You can see here it has given font color option. When you will click here, you will find so many options will appear here. According to your need, you can select any one, or if you want to apply another colors, then you can click on the more color option. So I'm going to apply any desired color from here. This, like this, you can apply any colors. And like if you want to bold these letters, that means you have to click on the B option. You can see all letters are changed in another forms. If you want to apply italic, that means you can see all the text will be like this. This is the italic. And if you want to underline, U for underline, then simply you have to click here on the U option. You can see your text is underlined here. Like this, you have to try to create so many slides. After creating so many slides, we have to add few effects, according to which I am going to explain only according to our book. To apply effect, simply we have to click on the insert tab. Here you can see so many tables has given pictures, clip art, photos, album and shape. To apply any one, simply we have to click on this. Suppose I want to apply one shape here, so I am going to click on the shape options, and then you have to select your any desired shape. So I am going to select this face, a smiley face, and after selecting, you will find your cursor will be changed in plus sign. And now we have to click on the blank area on the computer screen, and window screen, and here slide screen. Then you will find this type of pictures will appear on the computer screen. If you want to edit this, then you can click on the format tab, and according to your needs you can select. You can see the changes, you can see the all changes. Whatever you want to apply according to your needs, you can apply anyone. Okay, next is to apply any photo. If you want to apply any photo album, then simply you have to click on the album, and two options will appear here: new photo albums and also edit album. So I want to apply from the new photo, so I am going to click on the new photo. Here is given from where you want to find. If you want to file from the disk, then you have to click on the disk options. You will see this type of option will appear from your computer. You can select any one. So I am going to select one pictures, and then you have to click on the insert options, and then create options. You will find a slide will be like this. This is the to apply any clip art, albums and shape. If you want to apply any clip art, then simply you have to click on clip art options. These all definition we had learned in previous live classes. So to apply any clip art, simply we have to click on the clip art option in search for. Here if you any pictures you can search. So I'm going to select a picture of dog. So I written dog here, and now we have to click on go option. After this, you can see only these pictures has appears. So you can see one dog has given. You can see clearly here one dog has given here. This is the dog pictures, but only these pictures have, so you can see this. Now if you want to increase and decrease the size of this picture, then simply you have to click at the corners. You will see your cursor will like this, and now you have to increase or decrease the size of these pictures according to your needs. These are the activity today we have to do if it possible. Next topic we will learn in next videos.